Okay, Olivia, let's see. Olivia,
I couldn't get him out of the pool. Come on, you guys. Daddy's got
I want to see you. Okay? Swim like you do to Miss Lisa.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep on.
Whoa! Wow! That was good.
Back to the pool. Now, wait. Let me do your legs. Okay. Now, on your mark. Get set. Go. No crying.
Yay!
Okay, now
That was good, Olivia! Good job! Good job!
Look at Audrey.
Oh, yeah, yeah! Look at you paddle your hand!
Watch it.
Oh, here comes Olivia!
Right here.
Yeah, you gotta watch them both because they both start going.
Okay, so you stay right here. Now, Audrey, I'm going to let you go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, look at that!
Honey, now you can't go until we...
Wow, Audrey, that was good. That was really good.
This one, watch her. Here she goes again. It's your girl.
And you're going back for more? No, you wait, Livy, wait until Mimi says it's okay.
Yeah, you got to wait.
Good job, Audrey. You're swimming like a fish. You're like Nemo. Wait, Livy.
He knows to kick and to push.
Yeah.
It's just really kind of...
There she goes.
That one's very good.
You gotta kick and paddle.
We have to keep these on. Let's put this on. Put these on. Yeah, because you're paddling like a bike, and you can't paddle like a bike. You gotta swim like a mermaid. No, you're not, are you? Okay.
You're gonna swim like a mermaid now?
Okay. No, wait. Okay, we're going back. We're going back. Go. Now I want you to do without the mask, Woody.